Right, here's a good question. So it says a car wheel has a 40 centimeter radius. Okay, so it's a radius. Through what angle to the nearest tenth of a radian? So they want radians. So that's a theta that I'm looking for. Does the wheel turn when the car travels 43 kilometers? That'll be an S. So my formula is theta equals S over R. So the S is 53 kilometers divided by my radius is 40 centimeters. But I need to convert one of those to make the other one. So an easy way to do it would just be to multiply, to get rid of the centimeters. So 100,000 centimeters is the same as 1 kilometer. So the centimeters cancel, so do the kilometers, which is what we want. And when I multiply and divide that, let me do that in decimals here. So it's 53 over 40, go over, times 100,000. Okay, divided by 1, which you don't really have to put in there. Okay, good. So the angle then that tire will turn through will be 1,325,000 radians. Now the question asked for, if I go back up there, asked for through what angle to the nearest tenth of a radian will it travel through? Well, there's my answer right there. Oh, hold on. I didn't get a 40 in there. I got 4. 40. There we go. So 132,500. I have an extra 0. There. So 132,500 radians. And to the nearest tenth, there is no decimals there. I guess you could put a decimal 0 if you wanted to put tenths. Now the question asks for what would this answer be if I converted it to revolutions. So to convert it to revolutions, I can take my angle, 132,500 radians, and to convert it to revolutions, I know that there's 1 revolution in 2 pi radians. So take my answer and multiply it by 1 over 2 pi. So take this answer and times by 1 divided by 2 pi. There we go. So 21,000. So the wheel would turn 21,088 times. I think they wanted it rounded to the nearest revolution. So 21,088 times it would go around. Now, if you had wanted to convert that to